Most people think you need advanced software or pro-level editing skills to get an avatar to lip-sync a voice. But what if I told you there's a low-tech way to do it? I call it low-tech lip-sync, and by using Canva and the right AI tools, you can make your faceless cartoon avatar talk in just minutes. I've tested tons of AI platforms and built hundreds of avatars, and this is by far one of the most easy, convenient methods I've found. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring your avatar to life, step by step. Let's get started. Okay, so for today's lesson, I'm going to talk a little bit about lip sync and show you another technique that you can try and see how it works for you. Right now, I'm in Canva, and I created this cartoon guy here from scratch using a lot of different pieces. So the face, the nose, the mouth, eyes, everything. So it's all individual pieces. First, I created him, and then I found a t-shirt and put it on him. Then I changed the background color. Actually, I think he looks like a coach to me. So I'm gonna put him there like he's an elementary school coach. Now scoot that behind. There we go. And let's make that a little bit darker. Okay, yeah, I like that. All right, so let's take this and stretch it out some. How about 10 seconds or so? I'll just scoot it up some. Okay, there he is. Now, what I want to do is make him talk. And in this video, I'm going to make him talk, but in a very low-tech way. And I just want to share that with you all today. I found the face kit of this guy, the face, and all the pieces on a site I use a lot called Creative Fabrica. It has really cool stuff. I mean, check out all the different things that are offered here. They do offer some freebies, but overall, it is a paid membership. But it's very, very cheap. And all the things you can get here, there are millions of things that you could use on different projects. But anyway, while doing some research, I found this face kit and I thought, well, that's interesting. I want to make a man and then try to make him talk. Next, I downloaded this and then I created this guy. Okay, so that's where I'm at so far. Now I'll go to ChatGPT where I've asked it to give me some things for him to say. Then I'll go to Google AI Studio and choose Generate Media. Then I'll choose Single and then choose a voice. If you want to listen to them, you just click on these triangles here. If you pick one, you just click on it like that and make sure it's highlighted. All right, I'll go back to ChatGPT and grab a few of these, then drop them in here. Nice. So I've got the words, I've chosen a voice, and now I'm going to click Run. All right, now my recording is done and I'll download it. Perfect. Let's go back to the Adobe app we talked about earlier. You can use this tool for free, so let's click on that. It's going to log me in since I'm already a member, but I want to quickly show you all kinds of things in here that you can use. There's all sorts of people, characters, and more. What I want to choose this time are the mouths. I'll choose this one. You could also choose a background color and more. So I'll come back here in Canva, click on this, and choose the color picker. Next, I'll click right there in his beard. There's the color I need right there. So I'll copy it. There we go. Now I'll go back to where we started. So let's go back here to Adobe and go to Custom and put the color code in there. Okay, and now we've got that. You'll see why I did that in a second. Okay, now that I've done that, I'll upload my audio and it'll take it a few minutes to process. So let's download it. I'm going to open it inside Adobe Express and play it.
From still image to speaking character, watch me come to life. Imagine using me to teach lessons, tell stories, or even deliver YouTube intros.
Okay, I've already downloaded it, so let's go back to the video in Canva. I'll move this over there for now. Now I'll add it, and let's shrink it to fit. It's made this page longer because the whole audio's in there. You may have to play with it some. Since he's got that little bit of beard growth there, it makes it a little bit trickier. For now, let's get rid of these. I will take this and resize it a little. Yeah, that's better. All right, and now let's play it and see what it looks like.
From still image to speaking character, watch me come to life. Imagine using me to teach lessons, tell stories, or even deliver YouTube intros. Endless possibilities. Want to make your own? Just upload, add a voice, and boom, you've got a talking avatar.
All right, so this is just something new I was playing around with and I wanted to share it with you. I hope this is something you can use. Try it out for yourself and see what you come up with. To recap, I used Creative Fabrica. This is where I found this face kit. They do have freebies in here, but for the most part, it's a paid site. Once you join, you can come here and can use any of these millions of assets they have in here. I also used Adobe Express Animate from audio to animate the mouth. Then I used Canva to put it all together. All right, so try this for yourself and see what you can come up with. You might really surprise yourself.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.